Welcome. So here's a vector diagram problem. The question says determine the vector 2a minus b. So here's vector a and here's vector b. It's a subtraction, so the order does matter in this. And not only is it that I want a, but I want a vector twice as long but in the same direction. That's what 2a means. So let's begin by drawing 2a. Again, if I was using this for real, I would use a ruler and a pencil, but I'm using the computer screen. So there's a vector a, but it tells me it wants 2a, so that's two of them. And you could either write down 2a or you could put down vector a and vector a. In effect, I either multiplied vector a by 2, by a scalar 2, or I took 1a and I added. The process of addition is putting the tail of the second vector on top of the head of the first vector. So I either multiplied vector a by 2 or I added two vector a's together. I don't know how to uh, uh, subtract, but I know how to add the negative of, and if this is vector b, then this is the vector minus b. And so I need to add, and I need to add the vector minus b. So this is minus b. And the pen sometimes does not like what I write. So there's the vector minus b. And then I need to determine the vector which is the resultant of this, which is adding all these vectors together. And that is a replacement vector, which starts at the beginning of the first vector and ends at the end of the last vector. And again, I would be using a straight edge for this and doing it really nicely. So this here is, let's call it vector C, is equal to 2a minus b. And if I did this for real with a ruler and a pencil, I would get quite a decent answer from my graph. If I wanted to know the length of vector C, I could measure it with a ruler. If I wanted to know the direction of vector C, I could use a protractor, and it would be a very decent answer. So there we have it.